Greetings to the South African public from one of the public. If you're concerned about safety and security in South Africa, this is an extremely important video. I want to speak to you about the alliance between dearsouthafrica.co.za and Safe Citizen. You see, the alliance is more than a collaboration. It is a beacon of hope in the face of overreach. By merging Dear South Africa's proven platform for policy influence with Safe Citizen's fierce advocacy for constitutional safety and security rights, we're igniting a movement that reassures every family your safety is non-negotiable, your voice is unbreakable. Together, we will saturate government channels with united, irrefutable public submissions, backed by research and unyielding resolve. In a nation where crime is in every street, our unity guarantees not fear, but empowerment, proving that when South Africans respond as one, the government cannot silence our constitutional right to protect what matters most. Join Safe Citizen today and sign up to dearsouthafrica.co.za. Your community needs you. Empower us to respond for you, the public, as one of the public.